Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to open my little box of Instagram time-saving hacks, and I think you'll find some of them very helpful. I have lots of these clever little tricks to share with you, so I'm going to bring them to you in small, bite-sized pieces. You can find them here on my YouTube channel, as well as on Instagram and TikTok. As always, all links will be in the description below this video. So, let's jump into today's time-saving Instagram hack, shall we? Let me start by asking you a question. Are you faster when typing on your phone, or on your laptop or desktop? If you answered the latter, why not do all of your Instagram engagement on the laptop or desktop? You can now do so many things with the desktop version of Instagram. You can send and respond to messages. You can follow, unfollow, report, block and restrict on desktop Instagram. You can post new content, and delete content. You can respond to comments, and leave comments on the content of other people. In fact, that's what I want to focus on for this video. Why not sit down on your desktop or laptop, for a set period of time each day, 10 or 15 minutes for example, and get all of your comment-based engagement done during that time. You'll get it done quicker, and because you find typing easier on a laptop or desktop rather than a phone, you'll be more inclined to leave comments. It'll be easier and more convenient. Not only that, you'll be less likely to get distracted by other phone things, such as Facebook, Twitter, shopping websites, games, etc. I used to spend hours on my phone, in between doing other things, leaving comments, responding to comments, and generally interacting with other Instagrammers. It left me with literally no time to enjoy anything else, and my friends stopped inviting me out with them because they knew I'd say no. Trying to build up my Instagram following by constantly engaging with other accounts was taking up every little bit of my time. It was exhausting. I actually hated Instagram at the end of it and gave up using it for about 8 months. These days, I limit my time. I set a timer for half an hour, open Instagram on my laptop, and then engage like mad. I like people's content, leave comments, respond to all of the comments that people have left on my content, respond to messages, and more. All of the notifications I can deal with on the laptop will be dealt with on the laptop. When the timer goes off, I stop what I'm doing until the next Instagram engagement session. Then, I do the same thing all over again the next day, or a couple of days later. I set a timer, sit down and open my notifications, and start tapping away. It's all about engagement, giving and receiving. If you get it done quicker on your laptop, use that to your advantage. We all know how long it can take to give and receive the kind of engagement you need to actually grow your account. Every little time-saving hack helps, literally. If you loved this Instagram time-saving hack, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. I've got more coming, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to make sure that you're the first to see them. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.